Hello friends, today we are going to see about Python in computer. Before going to the program, I am going to give an introduction about Python. It was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science. It is a platform independent and suitable for scientific and business applications. There are two types of mode, interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode similar to calculator and script mode is used for creating a program. This is the introduction of Python. Now we can do a basic program in Python. All should be in same line. We should not leave a space for any of the sentence in this program. If we leave a sentence, it will show the indentation error.